Hey Glam Dolls, welcome back to our channel. I hope you guys are fabulous today. So today we have a kind of different video. I have decided to let my husband do my voiceover. So this was a challenge that was going around some time ago, but I wasn't on YouTube yet. So we are going to take advantage of it now since it's made its little resurgence quite recently with, people doing little, twists to it. So I'm going to go ahead and let him take over and let's get into this tutorial. Hopefully, just follow what I do. Don't follow what he says. Thanks.
Pink stuff. That's what we're doing. We're rubbing it in. We're rubbing it. Don't forget the forehead. Don't forget the eyes. We're rubbing it in and continuously making your face glossier. And oh my God, how much rubbing are you? We're speeding this up. How much rubbing into your face are you needing to? Anyway, brown stuff. Now we're applying that. Don't forget to get that. Yeah, now let's right there in the nose and the mouth, and let's go ahead and blend that in. Blend, girl, blend it, blend. Don't forget you missed a spot on your forehead and your eyes and the forehead. There you go. You got it. Now don't forget the cheekbone, and we got it. Yep. There we go. And just keep on rubbing. And now other stuff. And now we are adding concealer, which is Makeup Forever concealer. I know that because I'm a guy, and in no way was I given a piece of paper that tells me everything that I need to say on here. And we are going to dab it in like Bob Ross. We're going to just blend it in right there. Get a little birdie in the window. Yep, we're just going to tap it in. Just get right there. Just get into the forehead and into the pores. For those of you who don't know, this is the actual speed. This isn't even sped up. This is the actual speed in which she applies the makeup. And now we got that stuff. And we're just going to put the powder on the face. Kind of reminds you of your 20s, right? Oh, that was a bad drug joke about your 20s. Anyway, we're going to keep rubbing that in and making your face all powdery and more powder and just powdery. Bronzer. That's what that is. And we are going to open that up and bam, that one. And we're just going to rub it right there. Make sure you don't get it in your hair. Or I guess you do rub it in your hair and your chin. And we're just going to make your face look like Snooki from the Jersey Shore. And we're just going to bring out Esperanza. She hates that name because that's her middle name. But, Esperanza's coming out. And we're just, we're just going to go ahead and change your entire race right now as we're on here. We're just, bam! Now we got another one. And we're just going to apply it right there because apparently all that Coke you put on your face is now concealing stuff. So you have to bring out bone definition. And we're now just, don't forget that spot. Yep. And we got to put that right there in the nose and the other part of the nose. And yep. And right there. Yeah, I was about to say that. I was going to say you missed a spot, but you got it right there. And right there. Yep. Right next to the ear. Blend it. You got to blend it in because that's what I'm told you're supposed to do in makeup is blend it and make sure there's stuff that is visible and not visible. And now we are on to the bronzer. Highlighter. That's what I said. And we are making your face look metallic and shiny and making the eyebrows look metallic and shiny, and don't forget the nose and that, and put your Hitler mustache right there, and we are off. That's what we're doing. Don't forget to, next one is the blush. We are making your face red. If you just wanted your cheeks red, you could have just not had dinner ready when I got home. That's a bad joke. That's a bad domestic violence joke. I love my wife. I would never hit her. Don't ever say that. I'll never say that again. And now we're doing the easiest part of your makeup, the funnest part, which you love the most, I think, is eyebrows. Because every time, without fail, it's always symmetrical. You never complain or yell or throw stuff across the room because you nail it every time with your eyebrows. Without fail, just rub that in right there. Perfect. perfect, like two cats just rah. That's what I'm seeing. It's just and yep, get that one right there. I was gonna say there was a loose hair you missed right there. And then, are you gonna get another brush or something and rub your eyebrows with it? Yep, there you go. And we're gonna add more stuff. I guess poking your skin is what you're doing. Acupuncture for the eyebrows is, and yeah. And I was about to say it wasn't long enough. You needed to make it longer. And we are, whoop, short it. It's your birthday. We go and choose your color. We're gonna choose that one right there. You see it? That's the one we're choosing. We're gonna put that on our eyebrows, make it look a little darker than usual because eyes aren't naturally that dark. And we're gonna choose that color right there, and we're gonna make it smoky eye is what I'm assuming it is. And I got the head nod no, that's not what it is. It's not a smoky eye. It's quite the contrary. I guess it's a dark eye of some sort. And bam! We're going to use that one. And we're going to add purple, magenta. I don't know what color that is, but we're going to add that right there. And yep. And in no way is she yelling at me off camera because I stood in her light. And bam! We're going to use that one. And in no way she giving me the stink eye because I probably farted right there. I don't know. That's what she does, and you guys don't hear it because we got eeny meeny miny mo, eeny meeny miny, and we're gonna apply it right there, right underneath the eyebrow to give it a white color for the eyes. And we're gonna pick that color right there, and we're gonna put that underneath that eyelid. And we are going to, bam, choose that one right there. And we are going to do the same thing we just did before. I don't know if this is on a loop. Bam! Choosing that same color that you just pointed to 3 times already and putting it on the same eye. Again, a loop in case you missed it the first 2 times that she did this. And as making her eye a little darker than usual. And we're going to apply, yeah, right there. And we are going to put the black eyeliner on the eyes and looking over there to her right, looking over there again to her right, and we are going to apply something at the bottom of her eye to, I don't know, bam, we're going to use that, and we're going to do a little wingtip. That's a little wing, and just going to, yep, and color it in and make it look like a cat. Now we're doing this, we're applying eyelashes. And then we're going to try to get it to stick. We're going to try to brush it in. Get it, girl. Get it. There you go. Up, right there. Get it, girl. Work it. There you go. Okay, you got it on. It's on. Okay, now let's get the stuff that won't ever come off of the forks. I have to wash it about 3 or 4 times, and it's still stuck on there. Do you have any lipstick that's any stronger than that? Oh, you do? Good. There you go. Let's put that on because the dishwasher won't even take off. That's how I know you used it, is you use that lipstick. Now let's spray some water on your face. Psh, psh, psh. Girl, I woke up like this. Ladies, tell them I look so good tonight. Right. Said I look so good tonight. That's right, girlfriend. Your jealousy is showing. Bam. Gorge. Look. Just kidding, baby. You're gorgeous. I love you.